Hey Andrea, my name is Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds and the answer is time. Oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free. So by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business. Then go ahead and shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. This is your site. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 443 words. Your competition in this case, and which is Lee Landscaping and Yard, they have about 492 words of content. Very beatable. So each month, people are searching for specific keywords and specific times. In this case, if we go to Google and if we search for people looking for landscaping Seattle, currently I do not see you guys ranked for that specific keyword. Your competition, Lee General Landscaping, they're currently ranked number 1. I also use a tool called Ahrefs. This tool basically helps me understand where you're currently ranked online when it comes to specific keywords and your competition. So as I look at landscaping Seattle, 400 people each month search for this type of keyword, and that is the type of service you offer. The second thing we're going to talk about is citations. So moving on to the next visible section is the second important thing I want to talk about, and we call this Google Map Pack, which I go back here. This is the Google Map Pack. On these results, we can see the business name, the address, and the phone number. So now you're asking, how do I rank in maps? So I'm going to go ahead and pull up this tool that I have. It's called White Spark, and it normally costs about $30-70 a month based on your plans, but we can see that your site has about 35 citations and that the competition has 20 sites. Once again, a beatable area where we can conquer the competition, and it all depends on what keywords you're targeting also. So these citations are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. And we can see that the competition citation is so here, all laid out to be submitted. Okay, and the final thing, the third thing, it's backlinks. Now, I do want to go over the important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice or backlinks. You can see we search for landscaping Seattle right here, and your site is not number 1. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a relative site linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you, because hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull up your site. Here we can see, going back to Ahrefs, we can see that you have 170 links pointing at your site. This is a little bit of link juice. Compared to other sites, I have seen them at 600, 500 links. And in this case, if we look at your competition, they currently have a total of 72. Yes, you are beating them. However, it depends on every specific keyword. Now looking down below, we can see that these guys have these type of links right here. And we can actually get every single link they have and go after them for your own site. So we can get all of these sites, which is backlinks or juice link, and we can have these sites link back to your specific site, which will give you more authoritative content. Now in closing, once again, we went over your content. One, you need at least 1,500 words of content. 2, citations. You want to have around 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And 3, link juice. You need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want to be most effective, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 509-402-2892. Once again, my cell phone number is 509-402-2892. My name is Francisco. I'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great one and talk to you soon.